It's definitely looking different on the lips than in the tube, as you already can see. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. Today we're going to be doing lip swatching and we're gonna dig into Anastasia's holiday collection liquid lipsticks. She came out with totally new shades. They're available only in this set, and the set is valued at $69, so which is worth every single penny. I mean, let's be real, her liquid lipsticks are 20, so you get 10 for the price of 3. Now the first one is going to be the Chrome Red. It's definitely looking different on the lips than in the tube, as you already can see. It doesn't feel like anything. It's so lightweight, I can't even feel it on my lips. I wore it the other day and I got so many compliments, so I really like the color. And the next one is Chrome Burgundy. It's a metallic and very pretty color. So this one is the Chrome Burgundy. I totally love this color. It feels comfortable too, very lightweight, pigmented. You don't need a lot of layers to get that true color, so this one is another winner. Next one is Chrome Bronze. It definitely looks bronzy. It's a very beautiful metallic color. It's definitely very intense on my skin tone, but I would definitely wear it with maybe like a very natural makeup, like less color. So far, I'm definitely gonna wear this again. This color is Chrome Violet. I don't know if you can tell, but this one applies a little bit sheer than the other ones. It's a little, I mean, it's still a deep color, so it doesn't look patchy or anything, but it definitely has like a sheer application. Let's see what happens when it dries out. And here is the color after it dried down. I still feel like, I don't know if you can tell, but I still feel like it's too sheer and it would need another coat, but I'm afraid if I'll put another coat it's going to be too drying, like too flaky, so the pigment is not quite there yet, even though I went kind of heavy on it, so this one is a pass for me. The next one is Pink Punch, and it seemed to be matte. Ooh, that's pretty. Wow, Wow, I really love this color. I think this is my top notch after the Chrome Red. I think this is my this is my favorite color so far. It feels very light. I don't even feel it on my lips too, which is not very common in the liquid lipsticks category normally for me personally. I don't know about you guys, but for me they always feel drying, especially the regular formula that Anastasia has for liquid lipsticks. Normally it's a little bit drying. I always try to hydrate my lips before applying. This one is definitely a better formula than the ones that she already have. So far the color is there, the pigment is there. You don't need to double coat to get that vibrant pink. I love it. I think this is 10 out of 10 so far. The next color is Chrome Olive. I wonder if the applicator is supposed to be like that. This applicator is bent, so I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like this. Ooh, that's an interesting color. And this is how it looks like when it's dried out. I haven't done any transfer proof tests, but so far it holds out pretty good. As you can tell, it's very comfortable. I love this new formula. I love it much better. I'm not sure about the metallic feel. I'm not too much into metallic lipsticks, but it does look good. It does look good. I love how they feel on my lips, look on my lips. Yeah, what about the color? I am not so sure. I'll probably have to be in the mood for that kind of color. However, I am sure I'm going to integrate it maybe like an eyeshadow base or even an eyeliner, because I think that will be really pretty on your eye too. And the next one is the Chrome Shadow. Alright, so I feel like the application again is a little sheer, not too bad though. I had to go with an extra swipe to add a little more color. So far it looks good. Let's see what happens when it's completely dry. I love the fact that they're very lightweight. I don't feel them, and at the same time there is no tackiness or whatsoever. So far the formula is amazing. I really like it, with exception of the violet. I felt like that one is a little sheer. This one is tiny bit sheer too. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not too bad. It's like not that obvious as the violet one so far, but it's pretty similar to violet. I will swatch them next to each other. As you can see here, they dried out. They are pretty similar. I don't even know if you can tell in the camera, but this one is, the violet is a little more red, has a tiny more red in it. It's like basically violet, and this is more of like a cool tone, but it's a slight difference, so it's not that much of a difference, I would say. They're pretty similar. I would love if they would have something different. I don't know, to me it's not that big of a difference. The next one is Chrome Rose Gold. It's actually a very pretty color. Ooh, this is pretty. I really like the color. It's very pretty. I think I can use it like a everyday color. Again, it's comfortable. I think metallics are gonna be the trend of the next year. I don't know why I have that feeling, but I feel like metallic lipsticks are gonna be very trendy in 2020. It's pretty transfer proof. I went in. Nothing. They're pretty transfer proof. This one is the same formula. It's very comfortable. It doesn't feel drying at all. I'm living. I do like it. I do like it really. So this one was the rose gold. Woo-hoo. This one is a winner. The next one is Cali Sunset, and it's a very pretty pinky iridescent metallic look. All right, I think it's completely dry. It still has a tiny bit of tackiness. Let's see if it's going to be kiss proof. No, still there. Not going anywhere. If you can tell, there is still a little bit of tackiness. I'm not even pressing the lips that much. See? If that's something that turns you off, just keep in mind of that. Alright guys, and the last one is called Bellini. That is pretty. This one dried out pretty quick. I really like this one. It's a very, I don't know, refreshing, I would say. It's a very pretty pink, but it's not too pink. It's not too pale. It's somewhere in between. It's a perfect pink. These 5 are my super favorite. The reds, oh, they're to die for. The pink and the red is, I don't think I own anything like it. As for, is it worth to get the whole collection? To me, it was definitely worth it because I'm going to be using it as when I'm freelancing and doing makeup, but also when I'm doing other projects too. Plus, I sometimes use liquid lipstick for the eyeshadow, or sometimes even as an eye primer, because they make your eyeshadow last longer. I mean, you have to kind of try and see the formula if it's flaky or no on the eyes, but so far, a lot of times it's actually working really well. Let me know down below in the comments section what video would you like, or what would you like me to try and swatch for you next. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Love you guys.